Hi everyone, it's Chappie's Crypto here again with another video about Tradovate, which is a futures trading platform which I've just been starting to use over the last few weeks. So Tradovate has a number of ways to use it. You can use it through a web browser, you can download a Mac app or a PC app. I'm currently going to show you the Mac app. I'm using that at the moment. The interface, once you've logged into it, is exactly the same in your browser as well, so don't stress too much. And this is very similar if you're on a PC. I want to show you on this particular video how to just do a couple of quick things which I found really useful in my starting out. So once you've opened up the application, you need to log on to your account. So I'm just going to log in there, press login, and you'll notice here you've got three options, and I've gone through this on my previous videos. This is lesson 3. So for me, I'm going to use the demo account. I've actually funded this account just recently, however I haven't started live trading yet. I'm still just in the demo mode, and so we're going to choose this option here. I'm going to choose this option here, which is access the simulation environment, which allows you to come in here and just do paper trading. So click in there, and once we've done that, it's going to load up my template that I've got. And I've done a few adjustments to my template, and so what you'll see on my template, I've got 3 charts showing. So this is my TPO chart, which is TPO. This is my imbalance chart, showing the bid and ask, and this is also of 3 standard deviation VWAP, which is one of the custom indicators that's been written by someone within the community. So this particular video is really about showing you how to turn 1 or 2 features off, which you'll probably find possibly really useful. The other thing that's useful to understand is that if you've got multiple screens, the cool thing about Tradovate, particularly if you're using the Mac or the PC application, you cannot do this on the browser, unfortunately. So it's one of the advantages of using the app itself. So one of the reasons I like Tradovate is I wanted to find a solution that had a Macintosh native application, as well if you're a PC user, it's got a PC native application, which just gives you a few other features. However, the only thing so far that I've found that you can't do on the web browser is this little option here. You can actually break through these buttons up the top here. If you want to have multiple windows, i.e. if you want to have a chart on a different display, I've got 3 external displays on my setup at home. You can actually click one of these buttons here, and if I press that, it'll actually break this chart off as its own window. I'm not going to do that at the moment because I want to show you how to use that, go full screen, and this is the same feature you can do within the browser. If I just press this little button here, what it will actually do is it'll make the chart go full screen, but it won't lose any of my settings. So if I press on that button, go full size, we've now got the TPO chart nice and full screen, a bit easy to see. The reason I want to do this though is I want to just show you. Now you'll notice that we've got all the order options tools here, and within Tradovate you can trade on the chart. So if I click my mouse button on my left mouse button, it'll come up with an order option. Now you'll see at the top here, so we've got buy market, sell market, number of contracts we want to trade. So up the top here, buy and sell, and then number of contracts you want to trade, and then also the ability to cancel or exit out of your trades. So if I was going to do just a single contract, I could just leave all the options as they stand by default. And so for instance, the market's actually closed, it's the weekend at the moment, so it's not going to do anything nasty if I do this at the moment. So if I press that and say for instance I wanted to buy 1 stop or 1 contract, assuming 1 stop meaning that I'm assuming the prices are going to go up, or if I want to go long, I press buy 1 stop. Just said order rejected because the market is closed. Let's see if we go down the bottom here, buy 1 limit. There you go, market's closed, order rejected, and that's just the settings that are within there, within Tradovate. However, if you're wanting to place an order, or if you wanted to play around with your charts, you want to draw some lines, say for instance if you wanted to let's draw a shape here, want to draw a rectangle tool, say for instance we wanted to mark out, this is an area that's of interest to us, if I wanted to draw that. Now that's fine, but you'll find sometimes you'll accidentally, or you'll press and you'll start to freak out a little bit. So if you're wanting to draw on the chart without worrying about placing trades, up on the settings up the top here is little buttons up here again. There's a little cog wheel, and if you click on that, it shows you view settings. Now if you come down to here, this thing here called trade mode, when I turn that off, you'll notice the bid and ask and the ordering details are all gone. And now if I press my left mouse button here, I've no fear of placing an order accidentally. So that's probably a good thing to do if you're actually just looking at the chart, setting up your trades, etc., and you're not wanting to worry about accidentally placing an order. It does ask you for confirmation, so I wouldn't stress too much. However, it can be a little bit annoying. So that's just that little feature. You'd go into the cogwheel at the top here, just turn it on or off, come in there, trade mode, these things come back as soon as you press that. They're all back here, and that's just controlled through that setting there. So I thought it'd be a little interesting tool. This is just a real quick little video how to turn off trade mode on your chart, and I'll click on that and see all that. If you've got that on, gives you that option, or it assumes you're about to place an order, and obviously when you do that you have to press sell one limit or sell one stop, and it'll ask you then to confirm. However, if I turn that off, trade mode off, and it's just by clicking it, if you just click it once, it'll toggle it on or off. So I like to have this particular chart on all the time. However, for the sake of this, to get rid of that rectangle, I'll just click on that, press delete, and rectangle should go, if I do it correctly. There you go, it's all gone. There you go, quick little video on how to turn off the option to trade within Tradovate on your chart. I'll go back to my normal full size screen and back to my original layout. That's all for this quick video. Lesson 3 was all about how to turn off and on trade mode on your charts. And you'll notice that on this particular chart, trade mode's off, but each chart has its own trade mode. And if you click on there, trade mode, even on the VWAP, you can trade on any of the charts just by turning that on or off. So really handy tool. That was a shout out to Eric on the Trade Vets Discord channel. Tell me all about that. And if you're not familiar with what the Trade Vets is, check out tradevets.com if you want to learn all about market profile and time price opportunity, which is what you're looking at here. That's all for this quick video. That was lesson 3, how to turn off trade mode within your charts on Tradovate. I'll do some more videos shortly. Bye for now.